So ATUL single cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine. This is a vertical cylinder engine, and here we are going to discuss about the load test that is being done on this ATUL diesel engine. Here what we have is this is the loading system. Loading system is consisting of a load drum and a load drum and a rope mechanism. And here we are having a dial here, and two readings will be taken, W1 and W2. This will give W1 and W2 reading will be obtained from this two. Here we will be applying a load, and here we will be getting a load. So difference between them is taken as W1 minus W2. Then here what we have is before starting the engine, we should check whether the inlet valve is open. This is the coolant inlet valve is open. This is the coolant inlet valve. We should open that. Then we should see that there is no load applied in this load drum. That means this rod should be free. Here it is free. Now we should open the fuel supply. Fuel supply is there, and then what we do is we will be cranking it, and this engine will be started. So first, now it is under no load condition, and the readings taken are, you will be taking the time for 10 cc fuel consumption. Then there we are having a water manometer. So from this H1 and H2, that is the level at these two limbs will be taken for finding the level difference. Next we will be noting down the loads. So here first it is under no load condition. So under no load condition, first what should we do is, first we will be closing this particular valve. So that means the fuel for running the engine will be consumed from this burette, and then we will be noting the time for 10 cc fuel consumption, and we will be noting the H1 and H2, that is the levels in these two limbs. And after that, so after taking the first set of reading, then what we are going to do is we will be applying the load. So for applying the load, first we will be doing is we will be taking a load, we will be inserting here, and then we will be adjusting it such that so we will be adjusting it, and at last the load will be applied to this particular drum. So then we do is we will be we have a particular value for this one. This one is 1 kilogram, and we will be getting a reading here. We will be taking the difference of those two readings. So first note W1 and W2. Then again here go for the fuel consumption. So what we do is, after taking the initial test, initially it was under no load condition. So first we will be closing it, and we will be taking the reading for 10 seconds.
You have to take care
10
of any
cc.
RPM or something during that.
Yeah, the peculiarity of this particular engine is RTM is 1500, and that will be automatically adjusted.
Adjusted.
So
Okay.
we do not do anything. But here, in every case, we should remember one thing: during the taking of 10 cc fuel consumption, first we will be closing this particular valve, and after taking that reading, we should open it. Otherwise, fuel will be cut short of engine will be cut short of fuel, or at least engine will be switched off. So then we should take the reading for 10 cc. After that, we should take the level readings at these two limbs, H1 and H2, and then again we are loading it. Again we will be inserting one more block. We will be taking W1, W2. Again we will be closing that valve, and we will be taking reading for 10 cc fuel consumption. H1 and H2 will be noted, and this will be done for some 2-3 sets. And here BHP of the engine is 5, and here what we have is BP is equal to 2 pi nt by 60. Here this T is torque, that is equal to W minus S into R into G. Here R is the radius of the brake drum, and radius of the brake drum it is given as 300 mm, and again G it is known, W minus S is the load. So what we do is, first we have the brake power. So brake power, here the maximum the BHP of this particular engine is 5. So 5 into 746 will get it in the watt, and that will be equated to this equation. Here N is 1500. We'll get this W minus S, that is the maximum load. After getting this maximum load, suppose say that it is some 15, then we will be selecting some range of 10 for the safety. that will be the maximum load. So we will be taking 5 sets of reading. So W minus here, first we have obtained for 10 cc fuel consumption, we will be getting the time. So this V, that is the 10 cc, and this is the time. So this volume into rho, we will be getting the mass, then that is divided by time means this is the time in seconds, so we should convert that to hour. So what we do is we will be dividing with 3600, so we are multiplying it, then 1000, we are dividing the whole equation by 1000 because this rho that we are substituting here will be in gram per cc. So for changing that to into kilogram, we are dividing it by 1000. So by substituting V, that is 10 cc, time, rho, we are able to get TFC. So total fuel consumption is obtained. Now brake power, for each set of loading we can obtain brake power by using these equations, and that brake power can be substituted to get specific fuel consumption. So then brake thermal efficiency, that is brake power by total fuel consumption into CV, calorific value of diesel, into 3600 into 100. So we will get the brake thermal efficiency. So this is how we do load test on ATUL single cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine. Thank you.